Hello, welcome to the Harlingen Public Library. My name is Margaret and this is April. She'll be helping us today for the first time.
Yes.
You like crafts, right?
Yes,
Okay,
very
good.
much.
Good. So today we're going to be doing our DIY 4th of July wreath, just like this one. Hope y'all like it. So in this time we're going to be using hot glue, some pins or pencils or pins or whatever you want, pipe cleaners, red, white, and blue. Also red, white, and blue decorations, garland, and she's modeling our other garland. And I'm using the wire wreath this time. It's easier for me to use. Oh, and this too, the main event, the decoration for the middle of the wreath that we found at our favorite craft store. You can find any of these at your favorite craft store to use. So we're gonna start doing our wreath. Okay, April, we're gonna start wrapping these up with your garland that you have on. This one, I'm gonna be using 2 to wrap the whole thing. I'm not using any hot glue. I'm just gonna start just wrapping it up loosely, not too tight. And you just go in the middle, bring it in, just like that, and do a double so it'll be secure, and from there you just start wrapping it. Like I said, it's going to take 2. So April, my assistant, this is the fun part. If you want to do this with your kiddos or your friends, a tea party, it's so much fun just to do stuff with your friends or kids. So we'll just start wrapping this in. We're done wrapping it with 2 streamers, the red, white, and blue. Okay, from here, we're gonna be using our hot glue. You can have 1. So, and you have scissors there too.
Yes.
Okay. Here's 1 for you. So what I did on these decorations, there's the red, white, and blue. So I just took the red, white, and blue, and then I cut them just to do these little sparklers coming out of the wreath. So I thought that was cute. You can just cut it anywhere you want, if you want it longer or shorter or what. Here I just hot glued it so that it can be secured, and then just add a little bit more glue and just find a place that you want to put them in. So if you want, I just do randomly wherever I want to put them, but you can put them put them the same way you're doing this one. So see how it is? So you're gonna put one right there. So just find a place, just scoot it over and put it on the middle.
Oh, no. Okay.
There you go, and then just cover that up and it'll stick to that. All right, now we're done doing our little sparkly things all the way around. It didn't take long, right? It was fun?
Yes. It was actually my first time doing it.
Ah, making wreaths.
Yeah, making
Very
wreaths.
good. So you're going to be making more, right?
Yes, a lot more. By the way, we're gonna raffle these too, so like, share, and comment.
On our Facebook page.
On our Facebook
Yes,
page.
there you go. Okay, next step. We're going to be doing this garland with stars. I just found these on our favorite craft store. They were on sale, and just anything with red, white, and blue we just picked up. So here I didn't curl them, I just stuck them in here like any way you want. If you want to curl them like that, you can just put them randomly anywhere, of course, with hot glue. Okay, so we're going to put them all the way around. Not too many because you don't want to hide your stars and other decorations that you're putting. So you just put a little dab of glue and stick it in here.
Like
there you go. Okay, now we're done with our garland that we just put on. So it's almost getting there, okay? So next step, you'll need a pen, a small marker, whatever, just two. We're gonna be rolling these pipe cleaners. There you go. Any color, red, white, and blue, of course. And just put them onto your pin and you're gonna wrap them all the way. There you go. All right, and then just take them out, stretch them out a little bit. And this is gonna go on here too. It's like a firecracker that's exploding. And also you're gonna be needing your glue gun and just randomly also put them everywhere. If you wanna put them there, like this, either way, sticking up, it's your choice, you can do that. And so just put a little dab of glue and just stick them in there. And that's it. Oh, pretty easy. All right, this is the little squiggly little sparklers that we just did. I don't know if you can see them. They're moving, so whenever you open the door or whatever, they'll start to move too. So like I said, you can put them randomly wherever you want. You can put two at a time or just like that, okay? So next step will be the inside decoration like this one, but this one we got a little star. And then I just embellished it with little red, white, and blue stars. More of these little decorations. I just hot glued them in the back. So from here, can you hold that, April? I'm gonna be putting two pipe cleaners right in the back.
And those are the ones that are gonna hang it?
Yes, they're gonna hang. So we're just gonna put one there. And another one there. You can put any color, of course, the red, white, and blue, just to make it pop. I wanted the red ones. Okay, we're done. They're dried already. My pipe cleaners to the star. And so here, you're just gonna put them together.
And where are you gonna attach it on them?
I'm gonna put it in the inside of the metal. So this is gonna go in here. I don't know if I want my stars to be right on it or on the bottom, so just measure to see how do you want this to look. Do you want your stars to be right there like this? This is where you hang it just to see how it looks on your door. You can always remove this if you don't like the way it looks, but I do. I think it looks so cute. So just find your little wire to stick it in there. So you think that's a good place right there?
Yes, right in the middle.
Okay.
Actually.
Okay. So that's where we're gonna put it. So I'm gonna find my wire and just attach it. It doesn't need any hot glue or anything because you're attaching it to the wire.
So pretty much you're like tying it.
Right, yeah, so it won't fall or anything. And that's it. We got our 4th of July wreath ready to go for someone's door. So don't forget to like, share, and make a comment, and we'll put you in the drawing. So thank you so much, April, and myself, Margaret, for joining us today at the Harlingen Public Library. Bye-bye.